Scientific Guru HQ. Today we are going to make a high volume, high power and a heavy bass amplifier which is capable of working with 2000 watt speaker, and it is very low in cost making, and this is the first time anybody is using ICE in an amplifier, but I am going to use it. Please like and subscribe Scientific Guru HK and click on the bell icon. This is my rectifier, and I am going to use this rectifier to get 30 volts current DC. This rectifier I have made and given this video in the link below. This is my heatsink. I have advanced it some more. This is the audio jack. There is a positive point, there is a negative point. A digital multimeter for testing. Two D718 MOSFET. In this MOSFET, the first is the base, between one collector and last one emitter. This is a transistor 2N3055. This one is the emitter, this one is the base, and this one is full body is collector. I am going to take the cap of LED light and mark a few points on it for this. And hold on it. I am going to use this nut to fix it up. Now this is fixed. I will take this multimeter and put its reading to diode. I am doing this for checking. See, for negative emitter we are going to put negative, and for base we are going to put positive. See, the values are coming like this. Okay, emitter and collector. I am going to take this audio jack and take a 10 microfarad capacitor. Positive end I am going to connect with positive terminal of audio jack. The negative terminal I am going to connect with black wire. And its negative terminal of this capacitor I am going to connect with this white wire. I am going to solder. Soldering is completed. Now this is ready. I am going to take this heatsink and I am going to place these both MOSFET here. Before that, I am going to apply this heatsink cream on these both MOSFET. place black tape here so that it may not conduct current through these wires to this. In this, the last wire will be the negative wire and these both wire will be positive. The between one will be collector and the first one will be base. Firstly, I am attaching the base wire to both the MOSFET. I am going to attach this collector wire. And this is the emitter wire. Be careful that they may not connect in any way. Now these are connected. I am going to take this 1K resistance and connect it here between collector and base. Just be careful while joining. I am going to solder that. All the wires are fixed. Now I am going to join these collector wires with one another. And this emitter wire. And this base wire too. Now I am going to take this. Here, this will be a collector. This will be the emitter and this will be the base. Black wire is joined to the emitter. And this wire I am going to connect with this screw. This will be I am going to just take this auto jack white wire and connect it over here to the base. After connecting them, I will solder them. These all are connected. Now this is complete. I am going to take this negative wire, this both, and I am going to join them. First of all, I will take this wire and connect it with this base wire of all both the MOSFET. I am going to connect these negative wires. I am going to take this 2K resistance and 1K resistance and connected them in parallel. Now I am going to use this here between the base and the collector. Is completed. This is our speaker and this is our amplifier. In this rectifier, this is our AC input clip. These are two wires. This one is positive, this one is negative. I am going to connect this negative wire with this negative. positive point I'm going to connect with this. This is the induction coil I made by just copper wire and a iron core. Now I'm going to connect this with this. It's one point with the positive point of rectifier, another with this one wire of our speaker, and these both are connected. And the another end of this speaker I'm going to connect with this, the collector of our MOSFET. Now all the connections are being done. I'm going to just tape all the points. So taping should be done mostly on this audio jack to protect this. Now I'm going to use this IC.